For the white shark population that we're studying, we're creating baselines sort of across the board for these animals. We want to understand where they move, when they go there, but also why they go there. And the why can come down to things like diet or prey species. It can come down to reproductive cues. Are they going there because it's time to reproduce? It can also be size-based, so nursery areas are important areas for small animals to go to because they're protected there. We're also looking at the health of the animals, everything from what toxins they may have been exposed to, what heavy metals they might be accumulating, and then just their general health. One of the most important resources that we're looking at, particularly on this expedition, is diet and understanding what specifically the prey species are that these animals are relying on in different areas of the Western North Atlantic and also during different time periods. We do it in 3 different ways. There's the isotope analysis that gets you sort of at where in the food web these animals are feeding and potentially where they're feeding related to the coastline. We also do a fatty acid analysis that gets you into kind of big groups of food items that these animals like, so types of fish that they're eating, how fatty that is. But we're also looking very specifically at what species they like, and we do that through a process called fecal metabarcoding. That literally collects DNA and amplifies it from fecal samples we collect from the animals and tells us specifically what species they've been eating. And in those samples, we found what we suspected, which is that during the summer and the fall months, these animals are relying heavily on marine mammals, particularly harbor seals, as part of their prey. What we really don't know is what they're eating here during this overwintering period. We have very few samples from that time. It's a huge area that these animals use, so really coming to understand what species, what prey species drive them here is going to be important.